Lesson 8C, Exercises 2 and 3.
Juraj Janosik was a famous outlaw from Slovakia and is still well known in that country. He was a soldier from the age of 15, but later, at the age of 23, he became the leader of a group of outlaws. The group had some rules. They did not murder people, they only robbed them. What's more, they only stole from the rich. The stories about Juraj Janosik are well known in Poland and the Czech Republic too, and like the famous British outlaw Robin Hood, Juraj Janosik and his gang were famous for giving some of the stolen money to the poor.
Billy the Kid was born in New York in 1859. His family was very poor, and both his parents died before he was 15. At that age, he committed his first crime. He stole some clothes and hid them in his room. The sheriff arrested him, but Billy escaped from prison and ran away. He spent the rest of his life as an outlaw. Unlike many other outlaws, Billy did not rob banks or trains. He stole horses and sold them. From the age of 19, he was also a famous gunfighter and murdered about 20 men before his own death at the age of 21.
Nobody knows for sure whether Robin Hood was actually a real person. The earliest stories about him are more than 500 years old. According to those stories, Robin was the leader of a gang of outlaws. They lived in a forest in the north of England. One of Robin's closest friends was Little John, who was in fact the tallest and strongest member of the gang. In the stories, the outlaws sometimes committed murder, but mainly they were thieves. They only stole money from rich people who were travelling through the forest, and they always gave some of it to the poor. For that reason, they were very popular with the ordinary people.